Hey friends, today we learn how to change your Facebook password if you forget it. For that, first of all, open Facebook, click on three lines or profile icon, scroll down, click on setting and privacy, click on privacy shortcut, then scroll down, click on change your password. Here you see there is no password available on Facebook where you can see your forgot password, but there is two ways you can see your forgot password. The one is that when you log in Facebook account in your mobile, sometimes your password save automatically in your Google accounts. Go back and check are it available there. For that open Google. Then click on profile icon in the upper corner. Click on manage your Google account. Then scroll the bar and click on security. Scroll down. Click on password manager. Here you see I have 24 password automatically saved in my Google account, and you can see here a Facebook account. If you find it, simply click on, and by simply click on I icon you can see your Facebook password. And the other way is that go back, open Chrome, when you open Chrome simply click on three dots in the upper corner, click on settings, scroll down, here you see a password manager. When you log in on Facebook, your Facebook password sometimes saved automatically on Facebook. Simply click on and click on I icon and you can see your Facebook password. If you like our video, please subscribe.